We got a new player on the field. Say hey, crew. Hey to the YouTube. All right, we're recording. Go! Today, we're playing Capture the Flag. The flag is inside a bus on one side of the field, deep in red team territory. Our goal, get it to Foxtrot, a small fort on the opposite side. Our plan is simple. While one squad distracts red team at the bus, the rest of us take control of Foxtrot. Once they grab the flag, they'll bring it straight to us, and that's when we'll make our move. He's in the bus! He's in the bus! Jeez, that thing is loud. One's down. One is down. Hey. Can I give you some pointers? What's up? You know what hand swapping is? Yeah, like this? Yeah. I just noticed you're over here. You're putting a lot of your body out there. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it just gives you a lot more. I didn't think about that. Yeah. A lot more cover. Thanks. Okay. One's down. Another one down. Sorry. Okay. Hey, Blue. Sorry. Hey, you got people coming behind? Last mag. I know, I need backup. He's on my left side. He's hit, he's hit. Hit, hit, hit. Respawn. Game's over.
No.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Good game, boys. Good game.
I got hit in the gun.
Good game.
Hey, William.
Good game.
Blue person.
William.
Another blue person.
What's up?
I threw a grenade in there and I got somebody.
Oh yeah. Hey, good game. That was fun. Good game, man. Good game. Good game.
Do you upload footage?
Yeah, I'm recording. I do YouTube videos. So I got one on the helmet, one on the gun.
So basically, if you upload that, I'll be on YouTube.
Yeah.
You were the only one who pushed up to help me, weren't you?
Yeah, I didn't see anybody else. I was like, guys, we have the red crate. Come on, let's go.
Back at the bus, like, it's clear.
And it's a lot of my friends' first time, and they were like back here still. And I was like, guys, come on, push up. You'll be okay.
I don't even know who won that round.
Red team did. They won.
They got us all.
They got us all.
Everybody say
Hold up.
TDZ. Another one down. What's up, Logan? Hit, hit, hit. What's up, Logan? Hit, 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 hit. Brian, look at me.
This is going on the screen next time you preach.
Nah, it's going on the YouTube video. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, that's what. Make that the thumbnail.
Sure.
You ain't recording this, are you?
Yes.
What?